Hey guys, in this episode I will show you how to install an HTML file on your WordPress website. And I have this software that I designed and that I made, which is the one that you are seeing here. And this is an HTML uh, software or program that I made with HTML, and I will show you how I will install it. So basically, I do make like stickers and that, and I have an audience which I monetize. They have memberships on my website, and they can use this software so they can edit, or if they don't have like expensive softwares, they can use mine to download like high quality PNGs, PDF, JPG, and SVG files. And this is the Spanish version. I do have an English version, but this is the software, and they can do a lot of things. They can do like design and logos here. They can trace a lot of shapes. They can do a lot of different images. They can do like more complex tracing, like this here or tracing tool, and they can just basically do a lot of things with this software. But the main purpose of this is to show you how this software is gonna look on my WordPress website, so my members can use it, and that way they can use the software with their membership. So anyway, let me show you how I'm going to install it. So this is the my website. This is a WordPress website, and it's in Spanish. And once my followers get the premium membership, they can log in their password here. Once they click on it, they're gonna enter the password, which I'm about to enter right now. And once they enter their password, they're gonna click here so they can get in their dashboard. And this is their dashboard. So basically I have like special videos here, like software tutorials, cameo machines, all kinds of video specials. They have calculators here that they can use for pricing, signs, stickers. And this is the software, which I name it the sign frame. So basically, if they click here, it will take them to the software, which is not here. You can see the 404 error. It says page does not exist because I have not installed the software. So let's go back, and here they have many more cool features. So anyway, let me show you how to install this software that I was showing you, which is this one, so they can see it on their once they log in there. One of their perks is to use the software. So we're gonna go to the home page on WordPress and go to media, and then we're going to go where it says add media and select files. Then we're gonna look for the file. It should be called this one. This is the software. So it is installing. It is installed. So now we're gonna click and copy the URL. So copy. We already copied the URL. Go back to the home page, and then back to the dashboard or their dashboard, and then we're gonna go to live editing. By the way, I'm using Avada web builder, which is a um, type of web builder. You can, if you use Elementor or any other, there's many, but I use Avada builder. So edit live, I'm going to click on edit live, and then it's going to let me uh, log into the page. So I'm going to click on the button, and then button options, and then I'm going to paste the link that I just copied, which is this one, and then I'm going to save it. So save, and we'll wait a little bit, and it is saved. So now we go back, and then we're going to refresh, and now we can click, and there it is. There's the software. So now they can start using the software as one of their perks, and I have many tutorials on this very same YouTube channel about this software, how it works. So if software is something that you like, also I have memberships. If you want to learn how I make this software, they're also available for members only, and other also other like digital products that I monetize for my followers, which I make money. So if you want to learn and you want to make money too, you can join my membership so you can watch the videos on how I make this software and other uh, products too, so you can monetize it. So anyway, this is it for this video. That's how simple it is to install or upload your file, HTML file. And yeah, this is it for the video. Also, if you are if you just want to buy my software, if you want to monetize this too and install it on your WordPress website, you can buy my software. The link will be below. If you don't want to learn how to do it, you just want to buy it ready to go, I do have a link below. So yeah, thank you guys so much. I'll see you on the next video.